Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format tables created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Open PowerPoint 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have added a table and entered some data into these tables. When we select the table, standard formatting options in the home menu will be activated. We can also apply these formatting options into the table created in the PowerPoint, and also we will get table tools including design and layout tabs. In the ribbon, come to layout tabs. If you want to create a row or a column, click in any cell and come to the rows and columns group. Here we can select insert above and insert below to add a row from a specific cell, and select insert left and insert right to add the columns. Now I want to add a row below the selected cell. Similarly, I want to create a row above the selected cell, and for columns, select insert left and insert right. And if you want to delete a specific row or a column, select that entire row using mouse and by dragging. Otherwise, bring the cursor to the table border. We will get a thick arrow. Then click to select that row or column. Once it is selected, come to delete option. Here we need to select either row or column to be deleted. I'm selecting delete row. Similarly, to delete the column, select the column, come to delete, select delete columns. After this, if you want to combine two or more cells, especially in case of adding same title for multiple cells, select the cells by dragging the mouse. Once it is selected, come to merge group and click on the option merge cells. Then all the selected cells will become as one cell. And we can also use erase option from the design tab to merge the cells by removing the cell border. Similarly, we can use split cells to split the merged cells into the separate cells. Before this, we need to deselect eraser, come to layout and select the cell. After that, click on split cells. Now it is showing it will be splitted into two columns and one row. OK. After this, come to cell size group. Here we can adjust the height and width of a selected cell by changing the height and width values. And we can also apply same height and width for all the cells using distribute rows and distribute columns. And after this, come to the alignment group. Here we can align text in the cells. If you want to place your text in the center, select all the text and click on center option. And we can also use align text right. Again, come to the default state, align text left, and we can also align the text in vertical. After this, if you want to change the text direction, click on the arrow, select rotate all text 90 degrees. And after this, we can also apply cell margins. Defaultly, it is showing normal cell margins. And after the alignment group, come to table size. Here we can change height and width of a table. And also use log aspect ratio to change height and width in proportion to one another. And come to the arrange to change the table alignment. And we can also apply various options in alignment. After this, come to design tab. Here we can apply table style options. We can turn on or turn off the header row of the table so that it will be displayed same as other cells. Similarly, for band rows, we can apply color variation in table cells to make the tables easier to read. And in some cases, if you have added total row which displays totals for each columns, before this I want to add a total row. Again, come to the design option and select total row so that we will get the same color for header and total row to make tables easier to read. And we can also apply this to first column, last column, and banded columns. After that, come to table styles. Here we will get various styles. When we hover the cursor on each style, it will show the preview. And after that, come to shading. We can apply the theme colors and standard colors. And also we can use picture gradient colors. Also texture. Come to table background. Here we can select the theme color and standard colors for table background. Again select the table, come to borders. Here we can select the border styles, no border, all borders. And after this, come to effects. Here we can apply cell bevel, shadow and reflection. And after this, come to word art styles. Here we can select a word art style for the text inside the table. Over the cursor on the word art style to see the preview. And if you want to change the fill color for the text, come to text fill, select the theme colors or standard colors. After that, come to text outline, select a color for text outline, and we can also change line weight. And after that, come to text effects. Here we can apply shadow effects, reflection and glow. And after this, we can also change the pen properties like pen style, pen weight and pen color, which is used in to draw a table in the PowerPoint. Like this, we can format tables created in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.